Why a bad website can be catastrophic for your crypto project. As a crypto project or blockchain solution, you probably have a website. Many founders feel enthusiastic when the number of their daily web visitors is growing. But is it actually good to spend money on advertising and increase your daily visitors count if your website is in bad shape? I am sorry to say that it is not a good idea at all. It is proven that most people form their opinion about a business based on its website. The stats say that 75% of all consumers judge the credibility of a business by evaluating its website design. This number shows that we are left with only 25% who don't care about it. So based only on this metric, it means that from the 100 people that you have paid to visit your website, 75 won't do business with you. And all the time and money that you have spent to get them on your website is going to the bin. Actually, you are doing more harm to your crypto project than you expect by doing that. First of all, these people have friends that they can share their experience with. In crypto, we know that FUD is spreading really fast, so something like that can be disastrous for you. And second, here are other interesting stats by HubSpot. 88% of consumers are less likely to return to a site after a bad experience. This means that next time when you try to push another ad about your crypto project to this 88% of people, you will throw away your money. If you haven't made a tremendous change on your website design, remind them about the bad experience that they have had. You know the saying, there is no second chance for a first impression. You are not only wasting money but also hurting your crypto project. And one more thing that is important to understand, and it is that effective marketing cannot be done with a bad product or bad website. Now let's check if you are throwing away money with your website. Answering these questions will help you to find the answer. Question 1. Is it easy to understand what your blockchain solution is going to do for people and how it will make their life better? As humans, we are looking for benefits in everything, especially if we have to spend money. At the same time, we want to find a solution to our problem as fast as possible. Who has countless hours to spend searching for something on Google? We want an answer immediately, and the best would be if the answer is delivered to us even faster than that. That's why you have a short amount of time to show your visitor how you can solve their problem. And what's the benefit of using your crypto project solution? Question 2. When was the last time when you analyzed your website? You already know that people form their opinion and give you their trust based on your website. This means that if your images are blurred or the design looks old school, then you are in trouble. Now is the perfect time to replace what's broken with something new, more beautiful, and more effective. Question 3. How good is your crypto website's loading speed? Speed is getting more and more important these days. Having a website that loads in less than 2 seconds is a must. Otherwise, you will not lose more potential investors, but you may lose your Google ranking too. There are rumors that Google uses your website speed as a factor to decide where to put you on their ranking. This means that if you have a bad loading time and you have optimized your website very well, then your chances to get on the first page are not very good. So, use free websites like Geekmetrics, Pingdom, or Google's tool to check your website speed. It takes a few minutes, but the benefit is huge. Question 4. How good is your blockchain solution offer? In order to convince someone to pay for something, there should be some value for them, right? But there is also one more important detail here. The value that the potential buyer is getting should be more than the money that they will have to pay for it. This is called a perceived value. Your goal is to convince your website visitors that the perceived value what they get is higher than the money that they will have to spend. Only when you achieve to do that, then buyers will buy your tokens or whatever you are selling with ease. This is how you can kickstart your relations with them, with a great first impression and feeling. But in order to achieve this higher perceived value, you have to have a benefit-driven and great offer. That's why it is good to spend some time and recheck your offer and ask yourself this question. Is the value that I am providing with my blockchain solutions or crypto project high enough so buyers would feel that it is a no-brainer to buy my tokens, use your services, or whatever you are selling? Question 5. Are you giving the right and enough information? Structuring your offer is really important, but the copy that comes with it too. Ask yourself this question. Is my copy explaining the benefits of my blockchain solutions in an exciting and understandable way? Great copy focuses on the benefits, on what is in it for the potential buyer, and definitely not on you and your crypto project features. The other important element of your copy is your call to action. Please check your website if you have one. The best would be to have one type of CTA, but on many places on your website. It may sound strange, but people need to know what you want them to do when they arrive on your website. People have to easily see what action they need to take in order to solve their problem. Imagine how painful it would be for someone that is passionate about your blockchain offer and wants it to not be able to find out how to get advantage of your services or whatever you are offering. What's next? I would suggest to stop for a moment and spending some time analyzing your website. As you have seen, it is hugely important to take good care of it or you may lose a lot. If you don't have the resources to do that, or if you have found that it needs improvements, we would be happy to help you. If you need us, click on the button Book a free consultation and schedule the best date and time for you. If you liked our video, make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to never miss any upcoming videos.